go. Got him.
Y'all saw it. Stock Duramax.
Stock Duramax. Yeah, used to talk.
Don't touch me. Y'all weren't expecting that?
Whoa. What you want to write? Slow Duramax.
Sign your autograph. Yeah, I'll sign it right there in the engine bay.
Hey, you can't go for it. Sign it, Ronnie.
Sign it.
Sign it. Sign it only if Holden gets to sign yours.
Okay.
He's gonna sign your truck, bro?
Go for it, bro.
You gotta let everybody go for it, bro.
Oh, hell yeah.
Wait, hold on. We don't want that.
Let me
Yo,
sign that
Jeep.
Jeep.
I take that Jeep.
I beat you on the wheel.
Go. Got him.
And the forces. You got to sign the forces.
Sign it.
Those are some bright ass headlights.
I want passenger side. Where you want it at? On the lip?
Hold up. Let me get some light.
Tell me where you want it at. Where you want it at? I don't know what it is,
Nice.
but it has a squiggle lines on that. It ain't no Ronnie sexy damn signature, but what up? It's a squiggle line.
Alright guys, so today we have one of the cleanest F250s I've ever seen. And for those of you guys that are, you know, subscribers, or if you've watched my channel, you guys know that I'm like a die-hard Duramax guy. I mean, I've had 3 Duramaxes. I currently have 2 LML Duramax and an LOY Duramax. So it's really hard for me to say this, but this F250 is super clean. And we have over here, Ronnie, get over here. This is your truck. So we have Ronnie over here. He's gonna showcase his truck for us, basically his whole setup, for those of you guys who are wondering.
So here we got, first thing, what you notice is the light bars. They're made by Lanier Metal. You can find them on Instagram. What we got on the hood is just S472 Maryland kit with Bullseye TCT turbo. You'll hear it later in the video.
I just love how he says just.
It's just S472, the whole truck ceramic coated. Gives it
Okay.
the shine, G-Technic, 9-year, done by North Carolina Customs in Gainesville.
All right.
And wheels and tires, so 24 by 14 American Force Nemesis on a 33 1450 24 Venom power tire. Maryland Stage 2 6R140 transmission. That basically will handle all this power. But other than that, it's basically a stock truck.
I mean, what about the suspension? What all is done to the suspension wise?
Suspension wise, it is just reverse leveled, so it's all factory.
Oh,
just
wow.
rear block removed and a shorter U-bolts in the rear.
Okay, how many rock lights you running?
There are 20 rock lights underneath this truck. They're all by Einstein Auto Lighting.
20, damn, that's bright. I love that front light bar. It's just, if you look at it, that is just so mean.
And honestly, until just now, I didn't know this was reverse leveled. These F250s are so big. I thought he had a leveling kit on it. If it had a 4-inch suspension lift, I wouldn't have been surprised by it, just because of how big these trucks are. I mean, I love this look. This is chrome, deep dish. I mean, just look how wide this truck is. More than half of his wheel is sticking out, and personally, I absolutely dig that look. You guys know, like, I'm all about stance. I can vouch for this. I'm pretty sure Jack would approve this truck, because Jack is all about low and stance. So I'm pretty sure, I want to say Jack approves this truck, and this kind of reminds me of one of his giveaway trucks that he's done. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the little light bar setup. You don't see that very often. It's very unique. It's really cool. And I just went for like a little 5-minute ride. This truck pulls absolutely insane, and the turbo sounds really good. So we were leaving the drag strip, And from the drag strip, as we were leaving, it wasn't that loud, but after we left and he got on it, oh my God, once it spooled up, it is insane. Damn, that's loud. Sounds good though.
Oh, it's about to get loud.
It's about to get louder. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think of Ronnie's Power Stroke. Are you guys a Power Stroke fan? Are you an F250 fan? And not to forget, it's a platinum. You want to plug your Instagram name?
It is Ronnie_Platty 6.7.
All right, so if you guys want to see more of this beautiful truck, check him out. Actually, I love the paint too. You don't see too many red trucks.
Yeah, it's an expensive color. Ruby red. I had to go to Texas to get this truck.
Dang, really?
Yeah, nowhere in Georgia had them when I was looking for them.
How long have you had this truck?
Almost 2 years.
Now tell us what you had before this truck.
Before I had a 2016 Tacoma on 12 inches of lift and 37s on 24x14s.
That's insane. I will plug a picture right here. That's absolutely insane. So he went from a big old Tacoma to lower. This is technically lower because he reverse stanced it and reverse leveled it, I should say. And I mean, he's going for all power now. Next time we come here, oh, that's sick. Let me see. Focus. There we go. Yeah, that's sick. Was that a show truck? Did it go to like SEMA or anything like that?
No, no SEMA. It's just personal build.
Okay, that's awesome.
Same as this one.
Okay. I gotta say, it's a beautiful build, and as a GM guy, it's really hard for me to say this, but I am gonna admit it. It's a beautiful truck, and I like it. You'll never hear me say this again, but I like his F250. I really do. It's got power, it's got stance, it's got the color that I like, it's got chrome wheels or polished wheels. Let me know in the comments below. Holden does want to race him, so maybe in the future we'll do race content with Holden.
Yeah, I'm down.
You're down? How many likes do we have to get for you to race Holden?
10,000.
10,000 likes on this video. You guys heard it, 10,000 likes on this video, and he's gonna race Holden's L5P Duramax. Similar turbo setup, but not really, because your turbo's bigger, right?
Yeah.
Give this video a thumbs up, but that is it for this video. I did want to just show you guys this beautiful platinum, because I know there's a lot of F250 guys. I have no idea what they just said. Make sure to go follow him, and make sure to like this video so that way we can get that race content. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
No, I gotta take this off my plug down here. We gotta get this intake box out.
So what the hell are we doing at AutoZone at 8:30 at night?
I can give you an explanation for that.
All right.
We got a what people call big turbo, but to me it's just like your good happy medium turbo.
Right.
369 Charger. And I got a 369 Charger, but he's on stock trans, I'm on built trans, and he's trying to, I won't say make it live, because it's not gonna live, but it will live a little bit longer with that whirly fat, with that whirly fab trans fuller plug that we're about to put in this
Fuller plug.
Yeah, man. Hey, I don't have the whirling. I got the Linko, but it makes a difference. My trans were like 198 daily temps, and now they like 150.
Okay.
So it makes a big difference.
Come on, you don't want this?
You want a spot?
Cam, show him.
Show him up a little bit. Give him some gas.
Oh yeah. You took an L on that one. You took an L on that one. Next time.
Next time. I don't know what to say. What's up, stock truck? The good stock truck?
All right, so we are all in Mexico. Took us about 13 hours to get here from Georgia.
Put the other vehicle, I don't know what's taking so long.
Do what?
There's a couple of vehicles down
There's a couple vehicles down there. How about? studio traffic engineering down there,
We were wondering what was down there.
which is now the river keeper's office.